To draw a spiral magic wand, you'll need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. This is a little tricky, so we'll pencil it out, which is always a good idea. So draw a spiral like that. Now at this end we're going to have like a jewel on the handle, and that's a little kind of gold thing that holds the jewel on. And then, this is where it starts to get tricky. So draw a little bit like that, and then it's like an S shape. So we're going to follow all the way along the spiral with this kind of S shapes like that. Okay, and then we might need to sort of connect them up a little bit like that. But we're also wanting to get thinner and thinner and thinner as well, so that we can just finish off like that. This video is inspired by my new book, How to Draw Halloween Stuff Real Easy. It is packed with over 160 Halloween ideas. You can get the book from Amazon, ebook downloads from Amazon and Spring underneath this video. You'll get it for free, as well as lots of other stuff when you join me on Patreon. All the links and details are in the description box below. So let's draw sort of a jewel here, a ruby or something like that, and I'm just going to put a little bit of pattern in there, some shading, and a bit in there as well. And then we're going to start like this, and you just need to kind of work your way along, and we need to sort of get around the corner here. And it's just taking your time and following where you've penciled it out, and smoothing it out a little bit at the same time while you're doing the ink, so that we can then do maybe a little curve around like that. And when you are absolutely sure the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. And then I'm going to draw a bit of shading in there and a bit of shading like that. So these are just little kind of, just slightly more than a dot. They're kind of slightly long dots on the sort of one side of the spirally bits. So in theory it's a kind of a double helix, but that's a whole other thing. So we'll go flick, 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 flick for the magic coming out at the other end, and you can maybe do a couple of wobbles in there just to give it a bit of magic motion. Do that in red and that in gold, and then do these in alternate colours, maybe woody kind of colours like that. And there you go, how to draw a spiral magic wand. Thanks for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.